this is Felix, and today I'm going to give you the top 10 passing chords that every pianist, if you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, should use. So I'm in the key of F sharp. I'm going to show you these chords. I'm going to show you 1, 7, 6. Then I'm going to show you 2, 3, and then 5. And then I'm going to show you 6, 7, 1. So if you just give me your 5 minutes, I will make your skills to sound professional. So the first chords that I'm going to use, the first passing chords, it's a 1, 7, 6. So my 1, I'm just using a normal 1. My 7, on my right hand I am holding an E, a B, this one is a B, an E, and a G sharp, while on my left I'm just using the octave F major, the F note, F at remember F major octave is I'll say is a 7th according to the notes in the key of F sharp. Then 6. On my right hand at 6, I'm using a 5, 6, and 2. Then on my left hand, I'm just using 6 G sharp note. So from the top, 1, 7, 6. 7, 1, 7, 6. So the second chord that I'm going to play is a 2, 3, back to 1. So our 2, I'm just using the normal 2, but on my right hand. On my left hand, I'm using 4. B, I'm holding B. So here I'm holding 2 over 4. And you can apply this skill in any key, as long as you know the chord progression, how to form chords, and how to play different progressions. So, 2, 3. So there I'm holding 3. On my left hand, I'm just using 3, normal. This is a third note. And on my right hand, I'm using 5, 7. I'm holding 5, 7, and 3. While on my left, I'm just holding 3. And then back to 1. So when you're going back to 1, your left hand will not change to any space or go anywhere. You just maintain your hand, and then you just move like this to 1. Okay, so the next chord I'm going to show you is a 2, 3, 4. It's a 2, the one that we have been playing, 3, then 4. So our 2, the normal one, the way I've been playing. Then back to our 3, normal. Then to our 4. Our 4, we are using 4, a B chord, 4, normal 4 over 2. Remember the first one, we are using a 2 chord over 4. Right now we are using a 4 chord over 2. On my left hand, just using a 2 And then on my right hand, this is chord number 4, B major in the key of F sharp. So, but I'm sustaining it, I'm just adding this one, the 5th, so that it sounds good like that. So 2, 3, 4. My friend, I assure you, when you play these chords, nothing will prevent you from becoming professional. So the last chord that I'm going to show you, and it's a very simple chord, is a simple and an easy chord, a very easy one. So give me your time, master this one. I'm going to 5, which will be like this. 5, 6, then back to a 1. Right now we are voicing our chord like this. They are just passing chords, okay? So let's begin with our 5. I'm not playing this normal 5, I'm using this one, of which on my left hand I'm playing C sharp, G sharp, C sharp. My left hand is that one. Then on my right hand I'm playing a B, a D, an F, and a G sharp note. So you see, it sounds professional, okay? Five,